Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahman sir. Today I deal with new chapter that is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Before going to start, I will start from some basic things. That is simple. That is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers. Isn't it? For example, we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, it is easy to count, isn't it? In daily life, we will use natural numbers, and natural numbers are denoted by that is capital N. Why, sir? Because the first letter of the natural number is N. That's why we will show here. We will write here that is N is the symbol of natural numbers, isn't it? These are the natural numbers you know already. Here I will give some example. One example that is x plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, x plus 5 is equal to 8. Then what is the value of x here? See here, x is equal to, see, x is equal to plus 5 is there here. Here plus 5 is there. When it will goes to this side, that means border cross kare to, border cross it will become negative. That is, it is as usual. Here I will write it here. Plus 5 becomes plus 5 becomes minus 5. समझ में आएगा? Yes, x is equal to 8 minus 5. 8 minus that is 3. Okay. Then we can say that 3 is a natural number. Is it? Yes, sir. Next, again one example. X is equal to f4x is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8. Then we can say that what is the value of x here? Yes, sir. Here it is 4 is multiplied with x. Here 4 is multiplied with x. Then when we cross its border cross maditappa antandre it will become divide. See here, that is 8 by 4. Okay, क्या हुआ? 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then x value is 2 आ गया. Then 2 is also a natural number. Ethic explanation madagantandre just we have to be know the things. Okay, how to find the x value like this. See here, when it is addition to the x, it will cross the border. When it will cross the border, it will becomes sign change. See here, plus 5 change it to minus 5. See here, if multiplied with x, it will. If it is multiplied here, then it will divide. When it will cross the border, that means this side, cross the side. Actually, it is a side. Okay. Then take one more example. We know about that natural numbers are indicated by n, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4 countable numbers, isn't it? Then take one more example, that is x plus 5 is equal to 5. Then what is the value of x here? Dekhiye, that is x is equal to 5 is there here. I will write 5. See, here is plus 5. When it will changes its side, okay? Changes its side, then it will become minus 5. Then what is the value of x? Then x value is 0. X का value आ गया 0. Whether 0 is a natural number? Is it? No, sir. Then which number? Then 0 will comes under which type of number? That is whole number. That is whole number. By giving example, I will explain with you. That is 0 will comes under which type of number? That is whole number. Whole number. We will indicate whole number with W. That is okay. What are the whole numbers? Sir, including 0, all are natural numbers. Including 0, all are natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. We can write it. Up to countable numbers, isn't it? Up to countable numbers. Then 0 will comes under whole numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then whole numbers are including 0. We can say that natural number also, including 0 and natural numbers. Then again, I will give you one example. That is x plus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, x plus 5 is equal to 3. See, what is the value of x here? Need a constant otherwise that is, my example is that is x plus 5 is equal to 3. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the value of x here? कैसा करना सर? Simple है सर. That is x is equal to 3. I have written here. Then plus 5 goes to this side. क्या हो सर? Simple. That is minus 5. Then what is the value of x here? 2. कौन सा 2? Minus 2. That is minus 2. Okay? Because this is plus. ಯಾವುದು sign ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ that is plus. Then the bigger number having minus sign. That's why here value is minus 2. Whether minus 2 is natural number? No sir. Whether minus 2 is a whole number? No sir. Then which type of number? Minus 2. That is, yes sir, that is integer. What is that? Integer. Integers or integer. We denote integer as z. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ I in time introduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು otherwise denote ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because at that time we focus all the members are focused on the integers. That means numbers. Integer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ negative sign ಆವ zero ಆವ positive signs ನೋ ಆವ. That's why it is the German word that is Zahl. By this, the first letter of this German word, that is Zahl. We can pronounce it as a Zahl. So, okay, this is the German word. From this, the first letter has been taken as Zahl. Then what is meant by Zahl? So that is number. That is number. Okay, Zahl means in German. Zahl means number. For that's why the first letter of the German word, that is Zahl, is taken denoted as Z. Then what are the integers? Can you give me? Yes, that is minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, isn't it? Then positive integers plus 1, 2. Okay, these are the integers. We will indicate integer as Z. That is because of German word. The first letter of German word is Zahl. That's why we have taken the Z. समझ में याराने केಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. That's why I'm telling that. Z, that is integers having the positive sign numbers 0 and as well as negative sign numbers, isn't it? Okay, one screenshot ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Then again one example I will give you. Two x is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 3. Then what is the value of x here? X is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, x is equal to 3 by 2. Why? Sir, here 2 is a multiple of x. Here 2 is the multiple of x. When it will changes its other side, when it changes its sides, it will become divide. Okay, that's why x value is 3 by 2. X value is 3 by 2. Then tell me that 3 by 2 is a natural number? No sir. Is there 3 by 2 is here? No sir. Whether 3 by 2 is a whole number? No sir. Whether 3 by 2 is a integer? No sir. Then what it is? Yes, that is exactly, that is rational number. 3 by 2 is a rational number. Then what are rational numbers? That is rational numbers. Okay, what are rational numbers? Rational number is that which is expressed in coefficient or a fraction. Fraction numbers are the numbers which expressed expressed as coefficient or factors. Okay. Factors, otherwise we can write it as a fraction. Fraction or a coefficient. Expressed as fractions or a coefficients. That is, see here, for that's why we will indicate rational number as q. Why, sir? Because coefficients, because of coefficient we will indicate or denote rational numbers as q. See here, what are the examples or what are the rational numbers? See here, it includes negative numbers and positive as well as 0. See, I will give example, that is 1 by 2 is also rational number because it is in a fraction. Then 0 is also rational number. How it will say? Afterwards I will explain about 0. Then 3 by 2 and 1 by 1 is also rational number. Sir, easily variable that 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Yes. Now we are expressing it in fraction. That's why we can write it as a 1 by 1. Then 1 by 1 is also a rational number. Okay. Then minus 3 by 2, 6 by 5. These are the examples for rational numbers. Why we will denote rational number as q? Because it expresses as, that means rational numbers will express in coefficient or fraction. That's why coefficient word. That's why q is denoted as rational numbers. Q is denoted for rational numbers. Okay. Sir, actually, one more thing I have to tell, that is, sir, sir, numbers some easy, isn't it? See, where we will use natural numbers from first onwards, I will come. Where we will use natural numbers. Simple, sir. 1 water bottle, 2 aloo chips packets, isn't it? In daily life, we are using natural numbers. Okay. Then where we will use integers, sir, minus 0 plus. Where we will use integers in daily life? Yes, sir. Loss adaga, profit adaga, isn't it? At that time we will use integers. Sir, when we will use rational numbers in daily life? You'll use hey Anna, 1 by 2 chai, like that. Sir, 1 by 2 is a rational number, isn't it? Half kg half liter milk, isn't it? Like in daily life we will use rational numbers like that, isn't it? Yes. Then we can also say that all integers, first I will write it here, all integers are, it's very important to see, can I say that all integers are rational numbers? Rational numbers. Here all integers that is, it includes positive numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers. Then what about rational numbers? These are also same, negative already, then positive, see here, positive, then 0 is also there. Okay. Can we tell that all integers are rational numbers? First one, I will take one integer, that is minus 2. Minus 2 is a rational number. Sir, simple, sir. We will convert this minus 2 as divided by 1. Minus 2 as minus 2 divided by 1. Then it will become rational number. Actually, rational number general form is p by q. That is p by q. Then q should be not equal to 0. Q equal to 0 ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. समझ में रहा? That is the general form of rational number is p by q. Okay. Then q should not be equal to 0. Q ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. See here. See, minus 2 is the integer. Minus 2 is the integer. Then I am converting this minus 2 as minus 2 by 1. That is p by q की convert ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, because of its general form. समझ में? Then q should not be equal to 0. Q 0 then really no, so is equal to 1 is there. Then we can say that it is easily minus 2 by 1 is also a rational number. Okay, let's take another example. That is 0. Oh, better example, but 0. Okay. Whether 0 is a rational number, see 0 is an integer, we know that. Okay, 0 is an integer, we know. Whether 0 is a rational number, yes sir, simply I will convert this one also, 0 by 1. That is a general form, that is P by Q. P by Q. समझ में रहा? Yes, we should concentrate on Q should not be 0. Q 0 other not really. Q 0 other, no sir, that is 1. We can easily make that 0 as 0 by 1. Okay, then the 0 will become rational number. Then 0 will become rational number. समझ में रहा? One more example we can take. It is 4. 4 is a rational number, that is plus 4. We can write it as a plus 4 by 1. Otherwise 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means that is also 4. Then we can say that 4 is a integer and 4 by 1 is a rational number. E type convert madmele helbekri now, isn't it? But we can not say that 4 plus 4 is a rational number. Okay, we can say, we have to say that 4 by 1 is a rational number because it should be in the form of P by Q. It should be in the form of P by Q. समझ में रहा? Stress तो बड़े आराम से करेंगे. Okay, we have to show that should be in a P by Q form नहीं गिरबेक्री. हंग मार्कोबेक्री. Is it? See, rational number है, integer ಏನಿತ್ತು, that is 4 था. We make it 4 by 1, then it will become rational number. समझ में गए बात? Then we can say that 0 also a rational number and minus 2 by 1 is also a rational number and 4 by 1 is also a rational number. By doing this all, by seeing these all examples, we can say that this above statement is true. Above statement is true. That is, all integers are rational numbers. That is, all integers are rational numbers. However, that's you have to concentrate that the rational number should be in the form of P by Q. P yavadana togondre P, whether P is 0, P 0 or no, don't worry. But Q should not be 0. Q 0 ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. That is here. It is the general form of rational number and Q should not equal to be 0. Q 11 here. And we denote rational number with Q. Why sir? Because rational numbers are expressed as quotient or fractions. Okay? Then I will give examples for you. Wait. In a complete modular class, but I will give some examples or some homework for you. Simple examples are there. That is, you have to find the value of x and find out which type of number that is. Okay? Find the value of x. Find the value of x and identify the type of number. What are the types of number? Now only we saw that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, or rational numbers. 4 already quoted. Okay. First, x plus 2 is equal to 3. You have to find the value of x and say with x and identify the type of number, whether it is a natural number, whether it is an rational, or whether it is a natural number or an integer. You have to say that. Second one, x minus 3 is equal to 5. Then third one, 5x is equal to 5. Then fourth one, 6x is equal to 3. And then fifth one, 3x is equal to 2. Or these are the examples. Okay. Now, do you know the properties of numbers, type of numbers? Do you know the properties of number? That is, sir, 600 that is closure property, isn't it? Commutative property, associative property. Yes. Now in this class, I will explain you about closure property of whole number. That is closure property of. That is first one. Closure property of whole numbers. Sir, rational number and whole numbers. Sir, we are starting from some basic things. Is it some basic things? Closure property of whole numbers. Do you know what are the whole numbers? Yes, sir, including 0. I will write it here. That is, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Okay? They are the whole numbers. Now, we are seeing that closure property of whole number. First, I will make here a table that is. This table is important. Just screenshot of one type of number, then operation. Operation that is mathematical operation, that is addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Operation. Then about closure property. Which type of number we have taken here? That is whole numbers. Write it here. Whole numbers. That is whole numbers. First one, operation in mathematics. What are that? That is addition. Addition. Then second one, subtraction. Third one, multiplication. Suppose in clear and cancel by my voice you can write it. That is addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and last one is division. Okay. Now we have to check that whether the whole numbers will close under the closure property or not. See, once again I am telling that. Now we have to check that whole numbers will close under, otherwise obey. Okay, oppikoltava, avruta agtava. That is close under closure property or not. Now we have to check. Okay, first is addition. I will take two examples. I will show you that. Take any two numbers from where whole numbers only. Why? Because we are studying only about whole numbers. That is whole numbers. Take any two numbers. It is 0 and 5. 0 and 5. These are the whole numbers. That's why I have taken 0 and 5. First operation which is there, that is plus. What is 0 plus 5? Sir, 5. 5 is there. 5 is there. Then 5 is the whole number. Whether 5 will come under whole number? Yes, sir. Bata, sir. Isn't it? Then we can say it will close under addition. Which will? That means whole numbers will close under addition property by closure property. See? That is addition operation by closure property. That means whole numbers will close under closure property. Okay. Then you know the example that is I will take 2 plus 3. Okay, same one. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is a 6. 3 is also a whole number. This 3 is also a whole number. Then 6 is also a whole number. Then it will close under that. Close means it means obey. Obey the closure property. The addition of whole numbers will obey the closure property. That is addition of whole numbers. Addition of whole numbers will obey or close under the closure property. समझ में रहेगा इधर टेबल इजी है तिलकुंड्री. Then I will check the next operation, that is subtraction. Take any two numbers. I will take 6 and 5. Which operation? Minus operation or subtraction? What is the answer? 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Whether 1 will come under whole number? Sure, sir. But then we can say that whether it will close or not. Yes, sir, close after. Let's check another example. That is 2 minus 4 is equal to what? 2 is also a whole number and 4 is also a whole number. Then answer is minus 2. Then answer is minus 2. Whether minus 2 is a whole number? No, sir. Sir, first example is second example is then we can say that it will not close under closure property. Which number? That is whole number. See, not close. By subtraction, that is subtraction, whole number will not close under closure property. Here is the example. One more example, that is 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. That's why it will not close under the closure property. Okay, sir, first in entry. Sir, we have to check all the examples by doing. Jasti marta one tappu bandre saku. Okay, suppose one answer is wrong, then we can say that will not close. That means not obey the subtraction. That is by closure property. Okay, are you understanding? Next. That is next property, that is next operation. That is multiplication. Multiplying any two numbers, that is 2 is also a whole number and 3 is also a whole number. 2 3 is a 6, whether 6 is a whole number? Yes sir, same. Then again I will take 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 is also a whole number. Sir, bardela sir, amena note good. That means 12 is also a whole number. Then again one example, then 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 2s are 14. And when the whole number is multiplied with the whole number, okay, then we can say that multiplication will close under closure property. Multiplication will close under closure property. Okay, that is multiplication of whole number will close under closure property. That is multiplication will close under, that is multiplication of whole number will close under closure property. Okay, we can say that. Then next operation is division. Easy lesson artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಆರಾಮಸೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ by doing this you have to do more examples. Example ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ you will confusion. That is take any two numbers, that is 2 divided by 1. 2 is a whole number. Pakka? Yes, 1 is also whole number. Then answer is 1 1 1 2. That is 2 on the value. Okay, we can write it easily. Then 2 is also whole number. Sir, close anta haki bidam sir. Innondu example. Let's try this. That is 2 divided by 4. Okay. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 again. 1 by 2 again. Whether 1 by 2 is the whole number? No. Then we can say that it is not close under closure property. Please. It is not close under closure property. One more example we can see that 3 by 9. 3 is also whole number and 9 is also whole number. 3 1s are 3 3s are, that is 1 by 3. Whether 1 by 3 is a whole number? No sir. Then we can say that it will not close under closure property. That is division of whole number will not close under closure property. Okay, see, that is division of whole number will not close under closure property. ಇಷ್ಟ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ whole numbers will close under addition. For which property? Closure property. Okay, otherwise we can say that addition of whole numbers will close under closure property. By sentence I am telling that. Okay, easily you can understand. Okay, subtraction of whole numbers not close under closure property. समझ मेरे बात निम रीडर ಒಳಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್, just simple ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Then third one, multiplication of whole number, that is multiplication of whole number will close under closure property. Sir, why you are writing close? That means obeying. Close means obeying. Not close means that is not obeying. समझ मेरे बात, ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. That is like that. Multiplication of whole number will close under closure property. Pakka? Yes. By seeing the table we can say that. The last one, division of whole number will not close under closure property. समझ में गया बात? Okay, जास्ती कलकंता होगा daily. Okay, if any doubts, ask me anytime because we are always with you, my dear students. By this, I will conclude today's session. If any doubts, ask me in the comment box, otherwise in the WhatsApp group. By that, we'll conclude. Namaste. Be safe at home and stay safe at home. Bye.